With scammers on the rise and Etsy sellers getting their accounts hacked more than ever, I wanted to share how to make your account more secure by turning on two-factor authentication. So make sure to stick around till the end because I will explain what it means, and I'm also going to be showing you step by step how to turn it on. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So two-factor authentication is just a great way to keep your Etsy account protected. With two factors, you will need both a password and an extra code sent via text or tablet to access your Etsy store. And you can receive the verification code on a authenticator app or through calls or text to your phone. And you will be prompted to provide the code anytime that you sign in using a different browser or a new device. And you will also be prompted to sign in every 30 days. Now, please note you will need to enter that code in addition, like I said earlier, to your password when signing in. Now, this is the list of countries that can receive a verification code through call or text. I will leave the link in the description box below so you could periodically check since it's subjected to change. Now, with two-factor authentication, you could download backup codes to use when you don't have a phone to sign in, and I will show you how to do that in a few minutes as well. And you could only use each code once, so please keep that in mind. You could only use it once. So let's go ahead and go to my Etsy dashboard, and I will show you how to turn on two-factor authentication. All right, so here we are in one of my smaller stores, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to activate two-factor authentication. So all you have to do is go to your profile picture up here in the right corner and click on your account. From here, you're going to go down to account setting. Once you click on account setting, you're going to scroll through the tabs and you're going to go to security. In here, you're going to see that these are the different ways that you could authenticate your account. So you could do it using the app. If you turn this on, it will actually show you which app you could download. You could do it through text and you could do it through phone. Also keep in mind that once you turn whichever one of these you turn on, it will automatically generate some backup codes for you that you could take a screenshot of and you could save for future reference in case you ever get locked out, like I said earlier, and you don't have your phone at that moment to verify that it's you. For this example, I'm going to use text as usually what I go with. So I'm going to toggle this on. And it's going to ask me for my phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that. I'm going to click next. And from here, it's going to send me a verification code to my actual phone number. So I'm going to check right now. And I'm going to go ahead and enter the verification code that I received from Etsy. And I'm going to click next. As you can see, it is this simple. It says, congrats, you enabled two-factor authentication. So now it's actually on. If you ever need to turn it off, it will automatically send you another code that you will have to enter in order to be able to turn it off. And once you click next, I won't do it right now, but once you click next here, you will get an auto-populated with a whole bunch of backup codes. I recommend taking a picture of it or taking a screenshot and putting it somewhere safe in case in the future, if you ever got locked out and you don't have your phone with you, you could use any of those backup codes to get access to your Etsy store again. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.